Eat sugar, and your body reacts almost instantly, triggering a powerful chain of internal responses. At first, it feels good, almost comforting, but inside, a complex reaction has already begun. Within seconds, sugar enters your system, moving quickly through your digestive pathway. Your brain responds immediately, lighting up its reward system with intense stimulation. This surge creates a feeling of pleasure, reinforcing the desire to experience it again. But this moment of enjoyment comes with consequences most people never notice. The moment sugar touches your tongue, taste receptors activate and send rapid signals. These signals travel directly to your brain's reward center, triggering a strong neurological response. Dopamine is released, creating that addictive feeling that keeps you coming back for more. Your brain begins associating sugar with reward, strengthening the habit with each exposure. Cravings start forming, becoming stronger over time as this cycle repeats. And this is where control begins to shift, from conscious choice to automatic behavior. Now, sugar continues its journey, moving down your esophagus toward your stomach. It dissolves quickly, requiring little effort compared to more complex foods. And within moments, it moves into your small intestine for absorption. Here, glucose passes rapidly into your bloodstream, increasing blood sugar levels almost immediately. This sudden spike creates a surge of available energy throughout your body. But this rapid rise triggers an equally fast response from your internal systems. Your pancreas detects the increase and releases insulin to manage the excess glucose. Insulin acts as a key, allowing your cells to absorb sugar from the bloodstream. Cells begin using glucose for energy, supporting immediate physical and mental activity. But there is a limit to how much glucose your cells can use at once. When intake exceeds demand, the remaining sugar must be stored somewhere. And this is where your body begins converting excess sugar into fat. Fat storage increases, particularly around vital organs deep within your abdomen. Your liver plays a major role, converting excess glucose into fat for storage. Over time, this process can lead to fat accumulation inside the liver itself. Meanwhile, your blood sugar levels begin dropping after the spike. This sudden decline can leave you feeling tired, unfocused, and low on energy. And your body responds by craving more sugar, trying to restore that temporary high. This creates a repeating cycle, spike followed by crash, over and over again. Your insulin levels remain elevated longer, reducing your ability to burn stored fat. And gradually, weight gain becomes easier even without large increases in food intake. Inside your brain, repeated sugar exposure begins changing how your system responds. You become more dependent on sugar for quick energy instead of stable fuel sources, and your energy levels become less consistent throughout the day. Focus begins to drop, and brain fog becomes more noticeable over time. This is the result of unstable glucose levels affecting how your brain functions. And this is where the deeper effects begin to take hold. Inflammation begins building inside your body at the cellular level. Excess sugar contributes to internal stress that affects tissues throughout your system. Cells become less efficient, reducing their ability to repair and function properly. Over time, this damage spreads gradually, affecting multiple systems at once. Your skin begins to reflect these changes, aging faster than expected. Collagen breaks down more quickly, reducing elasticity and firmness. This process is driven by glycation, where sugar molecules bind to proteins, weakening their structure and accelerating visible signs of aging. And this is only one of many long-term effects happening inside your body. Your immune system also becomes affected, weakening its ability to defend against illness. Chronic inflammation places constant pressure on your body's defense systems, making it harder to recover and maintain overall health. At the same time, your gut microbiome begins to shift. Beneficial bacteria decrease, while harmful bacteria thrive on excess sugar. This imbalance disrupts digestion, affecting how your body processes nutrients. Cravings become stronger and more frequent, driven by both brain signals and gut changes. This makes it harder to break the cycle, even when you try to reduce intake, and the pattern continues, reinforcing itself day after day. Most people only notice the taste and satisfaction without realizing how deeply sugar affects their internal systems. The changes happen gradually, making them easy to overlook at first. But here's the truth: sugar itself is not the enemy. Your body is designed to handle it in small, controlled amounts. The problem begins when intake becomes excessive and consistent. Balance is what keeps your system functioning properly, allowing your body to process sugar without overwhelming its natural limits and maintaining stability across all your internal systems. When you choose whole foods instead of processed sugar, your body receives nutrients that support long-term health and energy. This reduces spikes, keeping your blood sugar more stable throughout the day. Stable blood sugar means consistent energy, improved focus, and better overall performance in daily activities. Your brain functions more clearly without sudden drops or crashes. At the same time, your body begins restoring balance internally. Inflammation decreases, and your cells recover more effectively, supporting stronger tissues and better overall function. Your metabolism becomes more efficient, allowing your body to use energy properly without excessive storage, and helping maintain a healthier body composition over time. Your gut bacteria begin balancing again, improving digestion and supporting better nutrient absorption, which contributes to overall health and well-being. Even your immune system becomes stronger, with less internal stress and better resource availability, allowing your body to defend itself more effectively. This transformation doesn't happen instantly, but it begins the moment you start making better choices and continues as those choices become consistent habits. Because every time you consume sugar, you trigger a reaction inside your body, either supporting balance or disrupting it. And over time, those reactions shape your health, determining how your body functions day after day and how well it performs in the long run. Control your sugar intake before it begins controlling you, because the difference between balance and imbalance comes down to the choices you make every day. If you want to see deeper breakdowns of what's happening inside your body, watch our full long-form videos where every process is explained step by step, and subscribe for more high-retention anatomy content that reveals what you can't see.